Hey guys, today we're doing another Blade Ops versus video. We have the CRKT large Pilar and the original CRKT Pilar. We're not going to talk exact specs. If you want to see those, check the link in the description or in our bio. You can read up on the Pilar anytime. Today we're just holding them side by side, showing them off, giving you a nice visual. Also, as you can see, the large Pilar has a flipper. They're both frame locks. Vox design, and I love the blade shape on that. Super utilitarian. There's a good look at the large in my hand, and of course, check out the action flipper. The original Pilar, very popular knife. So I want to know, would you rather go with the smaller original Pilar non-flipper, still has the slot to open it, or do you go with the large flipper, a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier? Comment down below which one you like better. Check it out. Blade Ops.